We're looking at numbers 21 through 26. We'll fly through these. Maybe a little added information for this during the test, but let's just take a look on this for now here, okay? So here it says, state what additional information is required in order to know that the triangles are congruent for the reason given. So we need to add additional information. So ASA is here. So how can we add angle side to an angle? The way we do that, you can mark up this angle right here is congruent to this angle over here. Goes from an angle to a side to an angle to a side to an angle. So all we had to do was angle S is congruent to angle T. Here, number 22, they want us to complete this by HL. So to complete this, we already have our hypotenuse, our right angle. So let's just do LM is congruent to BC. So LM is congruent to BC. So here they want us to go from a side to an angle to a side. So a side to an angle to a side. A side to an angle to a side. So what additional information? So for it to be side angle side, it has to be in between those two sides. If you were to put an angle here, here, or here, here, you'd be wrong. So the additional information, angle D, is congruent to angle W. Number 24 wants us to do HL again. This is a right angle. This is a right angle right over here by vertical angles. And the only answer would be right is to state the right hypotenuse, which is over here. So the hypotenuse here is going to be congruent to the hypotenuse here. So that's the only way, saying AMN is congruent to BC. And right here, if you were to say LC, LN, that would prove congruency, but it would not prove HL. And that was the goal of it, okay? Here, they want us, number 25, prove it by angle side angle. The way we're going to prove angle side angle is right here. This information is already given based off of vertical angles. So we don't have to state additional because we only need to state one additional. Then angle J would be congruent to angle E. So what additional information? J is congruent to angle E. Here, number 26, they want us to prove it by side, side, side. The way we prove side, 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 we have one side, two sides shared between these two triangles. So the last information would be TC would be congruent to BC. Okay, and that's for numbers 21 through 26.